latest situation in Ladakh that's just filtering in right now is one, troops and logistics building up intensifies in Pangong Tso area by Chinese forces. Number two, bunkers, logistics depots, tracks to posts being built by Chinese. Number three, accommodation for winters being constructed, insulated huts and logistics and communication setup visible. Chinese appear to be deploying for the long haul at the LAC. Connecting right now directly to my colleague Gaurav Sawant reporting from Leh. Gaurav, break it down for us.
Preeti, the situation at the LAC is extremely grim. These are intelligence inputs, also inputs from soldiers on ground. The Chinese are digging in for the long haul. So any idea of talks will lead to de-escalation or disengagement clearly is not happening. Talks may continue, but the Chinese are digging in, and this is happening at multiple locations along the line of actual control. Most visible near Pangong Tso, the south bank, where India has occupied some very critical heights at Richenla, Rizangla, Gurung Hill, Magar Hill, Bump. These are some very crucial heights that dominate the Chinese garrison at Moldo, and also see the Chinese track that's coming down G219 and the one towards Pangor Gap. So what are China's intentions? They're digging in for the long haul. They're building huts. They're laying down cables. All of that is extremely visible. We are doing that because we are doing that as a preventive measure that should the Chinese attempt something, we need to be prepared. The Chinese appear to be doing the same. They've also massed additional artillery pieces and tanks in some areas, which also indicates that even if there is the next round of talks between core commanders, which incidentally, after the commitment of the two foreign ministers, has still not happened, a date has still not been decided, the indication are that the situation along line of actual control will not come back to normal for quite some time now. And the Siachinization, the LOCization of the LAC is just starting to happen very, very seriously.
Well, one thing is very clear, Gaurav, that we are actually going to be looking at a winter of discontent with China.